Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Fortnite game crash on PC. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, what we need to do first is we need to open up the Epic Games launcher. In this case, what you need to do is you need to go to your library and look for Fortnite. In this case, go and click on the three-dotted option here, and from here, choose the option that says Manage. Now under Manage, what you need to do is you need to click on the Verify option here, and once you click on it, it's going to basically verify the files that you have on Fortnite or in your PC here. In this case, this might take a few minutes or a few seconds. Just go ahead and click on Verify, and once you've done that, see if that solves your issue. Now in this case, if that doesn't solve your issue, well, the next thing that we want to do here is we want to visit a few files here. In this case, go ahead and click on the Open Install Location button here next to the Uninstall button. And from here, what we need to do is we need to double click on the Fortnite game. And from here, you need to go to Binaries. And from here, you need to go to Win64. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to Easy Anti-Cheat. And from here, just right click on this one. And from here, click on Run Administrator. Click on Yes if it requests any applications or further permissions. In this case, once you've done that, you can just go ahead and go to Fortnite and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next and best thing that we could do next here is to basically uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it again. Now in this case, go ahead and click on the three-dotted icon again, click on Manage, and from here, click on Uninstall, and once you've uninstalled that, install again Fortnite into your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, some reminders and some tips here, so make sure that your interconnection is stable, because sometimes having an unstable interconnection can cause you to have Fortnite crash on your PC. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.